Welcome back to a video from BMR Parts and Marine out of Burnsville, Minnesota. Today we got for sale is a 1995 3.0 GS Volvo Penta engine. Compression was 145 on all cylinders. Cleaned the cap and rotor, changed the gear lube. We did cut the power steering belt because it was running dry with no lube in it. So we cut that belt, so none of the belts you won't be see will not be turning. Good running motor, probably needs a good carb cleaning. Other than that, I think it's a drop-in motor. Good to go. We'll fire it up here for you. Like I said, you can see none of the belts are turning. Fire it back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.